Hi and hello, and thank you for taking an interest in this course. Just to introduce myself, my name is Toan Hoang. I am from London, England, and I've been using Tableau for about 7 years now in various capacities, from consulting to teaching to training, the full spectrum. I'm also the founder of Tableau Magic. If you found this course, you might have heard of my website where I've written hundreds of tutorials from introductory, but I am more known for my bespoke data visualizations, and that's what this course is based on. I am also blessed to be one of 34 Tableau Zen Masters in the class of 2020. If you don't know much about the Zen Master program, it's a select few who have demonstrated mastery of the tool, engagement in the community, and the ability to teach Tableau who are awarded this title, and I'm quite proud to be a member of this cohort. So let's talk about my first course, creating bespoke data visualizations in Tableau. This course was created because a lot of people ask me, how do you create such beautiful visualizations? How do you go about designing them and finally implementing in Tableau? And in our first course, I went through that. I talked about inspiration, I talked about design and end-to-end techniques required to build anything that you want. And it has been highly rated, it's been well reviewed, and people have been enjoying this. However, one of the most common questions I get asked is when am I going to create more video tutorials for you all to enjoy? Because throughout all my teaching, I always say that practice makes perfect, and the more practice you get, the better you become. And that's what this second part of the course is about. Creating Bespoke Visualizations Part 2 is about practice makes perfect. I have split up this course into several sections, each of which has tutorials that tackle individual elements or styles of bespoke data visualization. Ideally, by breaking these down, by practicing them with me, you'll become even more comfortable with creating your own. And that's the purpose of this course. So, I hope you're interested, I hope that you're excited, because it's going to be a fun journey. So I look forward to seeing you in the next section.